When you have a question like this, the goal is to get the y on one side by itself, and then to replace the y with an f of x. So suppose you have a question like this, where it's 7x plus 21y equals 49. First, you want to get the y on one side by itself. So to do that, you're going to subtract 7x from both sides. So you have 21y equals 49 minus 7x. Next, you're going to divide 21 from both sides. And that's because the 21 is being multiplied to the y, so to reverse that, you have to divide by 21. And what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So now you have y equals 49 minus 7x over 21. You can split this up. 49 over 21 minus 7x over 21. So this part can be reduced. 49 over 21. Both parts can be divided by 7. So 49 divided by 7 is 7, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 49 over 21 is 7 over 3. So down here you can write y equals 7 over 3 minus, and then for this part, 7 over 21. 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 21 divided by 7 is 3. So 7 over 21 equals 1/3. So here you can write 1 over 3, x. In the next step, you're going to replace the y with an f of x. So on the next line you have f of x equals 7 over 3 minus 1/3 x. Now you can optionally go one more step and combine the two terms on the right side into one term. They have the same denominator, so you'll have 3. And on the top you have 7 minus 1x, which you can just rewrite as 7 minus x over 3. So that's your answer here. Leave a comment below. Subscribing is free. Click the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for more videos.